Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of Apple's latest iPads. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, selecting the right iPad can elevate your digital experience. Let's dive into the features and find the perfect match for your needs. Now let's move on to introduce the 11th generation iPad, also known as iPad A16, as Apple's entry-level tablet offering robust performance at an accessible price point. Display 11-inch Liquid Retina with a resolution of 2360 by 1640, providing clear and vibrant visuals. Processor equipped with the A16 Bionic chip, delivering a 30% performance boost over its predecessor. Storage options available in 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB configurations. Accessories supports the first-generation Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard Folio, enhancing productivity. Ideal for students and casual users seeking a capable device for tasks like browsing, note-taking, and media consumption. Next, let's discuss and present the 7th generation iPad Air, now featuring the powerful M3 chip and available in two sizes, 11-inch and 13-inch. The iPad Air 2025 comes in two sizes, an 11-inch model with 500 nits brightness, and a 13-inch model with 600 nits brightness, both offering sharp and bright visuals. It's powered by the M3 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU and a 9-core GPU, delivering nearly twice the speed of the M1 model. You have a variety of storage options to choose from: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, accommodating various storage needs. The iPad Air is compatible with the new Magic Keyboard, which features a larger trackpad and a row of function keys, and it supports the Apple Pencil Pro for enhanced creativity. This device is ideal for content creators, professionals, and gamers who require higher performance for tasks like video editing, graphic design, and immersive gaming experiences. Finally, let's introduce the best of the best, the iPad Pro 2025, Apple's top-tier tablet. It offers cutting-edge technology and performance for the most demanding users. The iPad Pro 2025 features an 11-inch 120Hz OLED screen for ultra-smooth visuals, making it ideal for high-definition content creation and consumption. It's powered by the Apple M4 chip, ensuring exceptional speed and efficiency for complex tasks. Storage options start from 128GB and are configurable up to 2TB, catering to extensive storage requirements. The iPad Pro is fully compatible with a wide range of accessories, including the latest Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, providing a versatile user experience. It is perfect for professionals in need of a laptop replacement, such as video editors, 3D designers, and users who demand the highest performance and display quality. Before wrapping up, let's summarize the main key points. The iPad 2025 is a budget-friendly option suitable for everyday tasks. The iPad Air 2025 is a versatile choice for those requiring enhanced performance and creative capabilities. The iPad Pro 2025 is the ultimate device for professionals seeking top-tier performance and advanced features. Consider your specific requirements and budget to choose the iPad that best fits your lifestyle. Visit Apple's official website or authorized retailers to explore these models further and make your purchase. Which iPad fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. We have more deep dive comparisons, hands-on reviews, and expert insights coming soon. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never